In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on flashlight on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to use the flashlight or you want to turn on flashlight on your Apple Watch Series 9, then this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is best to turn on flashlight on your Apple Watch Series 9 when you're in the dark, or all of a sudden you couldn't find your way around wherever you are. Then here, I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. Now, to turn on flashlight on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the side button once to open the control center. Then once the control center opens, just scroll down and you should see the flashlight or touchlight. Click on it. Then once you click on it, use the digital crown to increase the brightness. Can you see that? So you can also use the digital crown to reduce the brightness like this. When you scroll up, then once you scroll down, you can also use it to increase the brightness. So this is the Apple Watch Series 9 flashlight. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.